Okay. I figured out the rock monsters were up here, and now it's really bad. I think it might just cause a lot of terror. I don't know. That RV might spin out. I don't know. I'm gonna just take a pause for a minute to look around, find the rock monsters. Okay, we're going. Let's see. Oh, there's the rock monsters. Okay, we're getting blown. Uh-oh, there's big giants everywhere. Don't worry, I'm here to help you. Uh-oh, I'm hit! There's a big monster right there. Just ignore that. Okay. Sorry about that. Continuing. No, I'm hit! Okay, that's it. I've had enough with these rock monsters. Uh-oh, that's bad. No! Okay, I think we killed the rock monsters.